Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. How's everybody doing out there? Got a nice little rip up already tonight. Now, come over and look at Nikkei. Nikkei right now is up 445 points. Kospi, though, is only up 21 points. That's not good. That's not good. We had a lot of earnings come out today after the bell. Microsoft, Meta, let's go look at those real quick. So Microsoft's up pretty good, up about 7.81%. What about Meta? Meta's down 6.6%. Robinhood, ARM, Qualcomm. Let's look at Hood real quick. That's barely down. ARM's down 5%. Qualcomm down 2.86%. Oof. LRCX. So Lam Research, it's actually up 9.2%. Let's see Chipotle. Chipotle is up almost 5%. Yeah, usually short got you off sides. Yeah, had a nice little pop up. I caught a pretty good chunk of it. So I'm having a banger of a night already. Banger of a night. So we'll see if I can keep it up. We shall see. I'm still not even done. Show you guys here in a second. I still got some trades running here a little bit. We got some prop accounts. These are up like 400-ish. 400-ish. 1800-ish. So let's get it. Let's get it. Can they do it? Yeah, nice start for sure. Hey, Mike, what's up? So we'll see if we can add to it. You thought you're doing good? Went on full tilt today during the AM session. I can't believe how far, after we went up this afternoon, can't believe how far we dropped. That was craziness. So Nikkei's still holding up. And Cosby's only up 15. I do want to keep an eye on it. Now, hey, something we do got to pay attention to for tonight and tomorrow. Come over and look at the volatility index. The VIX today was up 13%, which implies that tomorrow or Friday will be an update in the markets. So keep that in the back of your minds. I got a little bit of selling going there, getting to be short-term oversold. I had a 9 count right up here. We got to be careful because, I don't know, last week or so, around 8 o'clock, what do we get? Big, nasty reversal back down. So gotta be careful. Bank of Korea to closely watch risk factors that affect domestic economy. Now, hey, something we talked about on the live stream. I don't know if Eric's in here, but Eric brought this up. I did not realize it. So look, we've been talking about how much the Kospi is down roughly from the all-time highs, right? Last night's low, we were down roughly 43% from the all-time high. But look at this. If we go back and we look from the beginning of the year, right now, the Kospi is still up 33%. All the way up here at the high, it was up like 122, 23%. That is nuts. So that's crazy. Craziness. MU after hours, not down much. Let's see SanDisk. Down about 0.68%. I know Trump said he was going to launch some projectiles at Iran, but I don't see that happening. I haven't seen any news about it. We do see oil coming down too. Yeah, CL's coming down nicely. It's kind of interesting. Very, very interesting. So, you know, Trump said also they fired at ships in the Straits. For every ship fired at or hit, they were going to attack one bridge or one power plant. I haven't seen none of that yet. Yeah, I think we'll go up overnight. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too, Raj. Hey, Raj, how far up do you think we're going? Can we come over and look at the volume profile real quick? All right, what do we got? Well, we closed way below value or low, so that easy target was already hit. All right, value low and the structure breakdown point all in the same area. All right, here's the structure breakdown point. We draw that by the candle wick to the candle body, clean break through it. We should come back and retest it, which we did. All right, and now we also today closed below value area low, but we're already back above it. So above that, you look for the point of control as the next target. We've already hit that. So upside targets up there. Let's see. We've had a pretty good push off the low too. So 50% level is going to be up here on 649. So let's see if we make it back up there. That'd be pretty insane. Be pretty insane. We wake up tomorrow morning and we're all the way back up here. That would be funny. I don't think that's going to be the case, but already tonight, only 824, and we've already had a 406 point range. That's massive. So I'll leave that up there. 4-hour chart. We're doing a pretty good job of trying to come back up this candle right here. So this week, we're only 3 days in. Already a 1,561 point range. Last week we had a 1,100 point range. Week before 1,600. So do we maybe go a little bit lower? Downside range 27,458 to 27,201. They make it a little bit harder tonight because some of the easy targets have already been hit. That makes it a little bit more challenging this evening. Now, if we look at the ES on the 4-hour chart, I want to map out this area. This candle wick right here, this candle body, structure breakdown point. That's going to be 7411. 7411 up here to about 7422. Yeah, barring any bad news. So. And look on the ES. Here's value low. We've already come back and tested that. Closed way below it. Easy peasy layup trade. And we have a structure breakdown point right here as well. Just like we talked about in the video. Provided a great target location tonight. So if you guys weren't focused on these areas, value low and the structure breakdown point, you need to reevaluate it. Very consistent target locations. So we've already auctioned back through this area, so I'm not so concerned with that. We got a trade detector bubble up here. Not quite at the top of the range. So Trump's been acquiring LMT for a few months, working on a deal with Iran. Yeah, usually it's a little bit easier overnight. Now, the one thing that can really throw a monkey wrench in this, two things. We start seeing more attacks over in the Middle East. Or Cosby just starts dumping down. Nikkei now is up 944 points. Lucky had a nice little gap after earnings. I was surprised Lockheed's not up more than what it is. Let's look at the economic calendar. What do we have for tonight? Anything? Nothing for tonight. Tomorrow morning, we have a little bit of news, though. We have the Bank of England with their interest rate decision. We get advanced GDP numbers at 8:30. Core PCE price index. Weekly unemployment claims. Personal income. Personal spending. All at 8:30. So there's a lot going on tomorrow morning. You think the Cosby dumps? Man, Cosby needs to get a balance. That thing's so oversold. It's not even funny. That thing's got croaked. Maybe we're gonna go up here and try to take out this high. You want the tank tomorrow on heavy volume? Wouldn't mind seeing a couple day rally myself. Couple day rally and then slam it down. I don't know if it'll happen or not. Come on, let's get it. See if we can go run up there and tag the high. Hey, Leo, what's up? Come on, push it. Push shot up. It was up like 2 something on that trade. Did not take it. Let's see if it's gonna come back and smack me in the face. Up, come on. Come on, you want to make a new session high. You can do it. Let's see that. Is it ES trying to go? Oh, ES a little bit further away from the high. Come on. Come on, just go. There we go. Let's get it. Kevin Walsh talks like a politician. He definitely, when he was done talking, the market's like, F you, Kevin. F you and your task force. Watch this. And they sent that bad boy going home, going down. So they weren't playing. Google turned green. Yeah, Google was down a little bit after hours. Pretty decent little pop back up. Bitcoin's barely down. Let's see gold. What's gold doing tonight? Actually, gold's had a nice little run. 4103 to 58. It's not bad. Buys his ties at Walmart. Well, at least he gave us the volatility out there today. So, see how it bounced out second deviation band? Yeah, I'm too scared to trade oil right now with the Middle East conflict. Too scared to do it. So, look, they got the Cosby in the red now. Cosby is in the red. DK is only up 857. Trying to get a little pullback here. ES is off the high a little bit more. There's a high on the ES. So good thing I didn't go for much more than making a new high. I was front running that previous high. Front running this high. Good thing I didn't try to go for more. Jeez, that would have been disastrous. We want to smack it again. Down here near the lower regression channel, I want to look for a little long. But the EMA is trying to firm up. $74.84 on Bookmap. Is that what you said? 74. I still have 203 contracts there. It's still there. 203. So it's still there. They have not pulled it yet. Look, EMAs did not cross yet. They do cross, or they look like they're about to cross. I'm probably going to jump in. I might front run it. So ideally get price to go above the EMAs, start coming back down, and I'll probably smack it. That's how the representatives get rich. Mike, they would never do no such. Hey, what's up? What's up? Excuse me. Kospi's down 54 now. Look, Nikkei is trying to pull back a little bit. Oh boy. Short term, we got to be oversold. I'm not jumping on it yet. We are below the lower regression channel. So I like to say a trade detector bubble, see something. I see the EMAs look like they're going to firm up. Maybe I'll jump on it. But it'll probably just be like a 5-point trade for me. Nothing too big. ES just actually dipped below VWAP. Yeah, ES just dipped below VWAP right there. Gonna have a short night. Hey Leo, what do you mean, like short the market or short in time? Because I'll probably be on till 11-ish, depending on the market. Maybe a little bit later, maybe. I don't know. That's what my game plan is at the moment. Oh, short in the market, maybe. Might already have it. We've been seeing the market reverse like around 8 o'clock. And right up here in that time frame, you know, is this going to be the start of the move down? All right, let's see if we can pull back to EMAs and we'll try to go long. Oh, got my 5 points just like that. 5 points just like that. Boom. It really depends. I don't recommend brokers. But I look for one that has cheap commissions. Good margins. Been around for a while. The whole month of August depends on what happens at this level. No, 55-3, Bob. 55-3. Interactive brokers is good, but if you want day trade futures, oh boy, it's not going to be, unless you have a lot of money. Trade one ES is going to cost you over 10 grand per contract. I use the same on all charts, Bob. Daily chart, 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart, all the same. Hey, Tom, what's up? Now, if we can get back above the EMAs again and come back into them, I might take another swing at it. Yeah, AMP has cheap commissions. There's a lot of different platforms you can use with AMP. Oil's creeping up. Kospi's down 66 now. Yeah, oil is trying to creep up here a bit. Stupid market. Really sick of these freaking price bars. Ridiculous. Makes me roll back my Ninja Trader version. Yeah, ESA View app. NASDAQ has not yet. At least I don't have it on mine. That's hitting yet. I really thought we were going to flip the bands right here. Or the EMAs. Guess not. Not yet. Yeah, ES is right around VWAP right now. I've been our way all the way down. VWAP's at 848 or 484 right now. I just started doing. Oh, hold on a second. Let me get out of this trade. I can't focus and read that comment. I'll look at your comment here in a moment. Not going for a big move here. I hate those freaking price scales. Long from 524. You got a better spot than I did. I don't like that we're not going. Got a 9 count down there on the 1 minute. Right over here, but we might go down and just stop me out. Stupid market. All right. Hey, Mike, you just started doing prop firm. Just got my Lucid account. I've been doing the regular futures with AMP. Just wanted to test out the prop firm field. Hey, Lucid's a great account. Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify. If you're looking for cheap accounts, Apex, which their sale ends tonight. So if you guys want to check out Apex, use code Mike. Link in the description box down below. My Fund and Futures has cheap accounts right now. So you get a 150K rapid account. First 2 uses, use code Mike for 177, I think. For a 150K account. And the login account's finite is the same. It's the same exact login. Nothing changes. So if you disconnect from your data and reconnect, it's probably already there. I don't know if you knew that. All right, we got to think about this again real quick. All right, look, we see the Kospi weakening. It's making me nervous. Nikkei was up, what, 900 points a few moments ago? Now it's only up 188. Having those vibes like we've been getting at night. We get that turnaround 8 o'clock and then down we go. Hey, Finite, are you using, did you pick Tradeovate? If you did, I have a video for that. Let me go find it. Oh, Rhythmic? Yeah, Rhythmic's a little bit more challenging. I accidentally deleted my video for that one. Maybe I should remake it. All right, Cosby's down 106. We're still trying to come back here a little bit. Harsh 50 points. Ever sat through? Yeah, we're about to get the VWAP touch. ES is already below VWAP right now. The NASDAQ is basically right there at it. Let's see, do we firm up there or not? There's a lot of damage done in the markets today. God dang it. It's going to move my target up. Oh, good. Trying to grab my target and move it up. Maybe that's a good one on that one. It didn't let me. Thinking the EMAs are about to firm up here and get ready to rip. We got MGC. I'll look at MGC here in a moment. Yeah. MU down 11%. Come on. All right, should put me at session highs, I think, or close to it. I think that's session highs. Watch, it's gonna rip now. But being below the regression channel that's still sloping upward, I was just kept waiting, trying to time the EMAs when they flip, try to jump in early. That's why I had a couple of the losses trying to front run it. But hey, VIX was up like 13% today. So keep that in mind. That implies that tomorrow is likely going to be an up day or Friday. Tomorrow or Friday. Yeah, MU today was down 9 points, 9.94. Down another 2. Oh wow, down. Hold on, down 9.94%. Down another 1.9% after hours. Jeez Louise. Now you're down 1K from passing. Oh man. They don't lose. Hey Coop, I didn't see that in maybe I took my eyes off. I don't know if I looked at the very end of the day. I don't think I saw that in Spot Gamma. I think it looked like we closed the very end, I guess. At the very end, it sold off a little bit on the hero. So if I look at the hero right here, I can see the flows. And then dive down at the end a little bit. So not much though. Oh yeah, CL is trying to go green. Well, Trump said he's gonna be attacking Iran. Yeah, CL is trying to get up there. Oh, Kosby's trying to come back. Nikkei is trying to come back. Or they're trying to brainwash us into every night. We're up around 8 o'clock and then we roll over and just keep going down, 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 down. So. Hey, look, we're kind of bouncing off that VWAP too. Right down the VWAP trying to bounce. That's very constructive. Constructive. Really want to go long again, but that's all right. I can wait. No, I don't have a video on that yet, Mike. Nice. Hey, good job on that. Hey, good job on getting positive. Down 610, up 900. That's good. Trump at Wednesday when side defense minister. Explosions heard in multiple southern locations in Iran. Iran press. That was 10 minutes ago. Might go short around here. Nah, I'm not ready to go short yet. I reported a while ago. Yeah, I just saw it. So it was 10 minutes ago. There goes a FOMO entry. I thought we were gonna go. I thought we were gonna go take out these highs real quick. Looks like they might have got me on this one. $27,643. Hey, Thunderhawk, let's see if we get up there. More important, can we get up there while we're on the streak? Dog it. All right, 2 back-to-back. Oh, market's having a hard time at the moment. So we had the HSI get open up here in about 40 minutes. So we'll see. Look at this. Hey, on the ES, we do have quite a bit of gamma. 73.99-ish. We break that and look at 425, 450. Yeah, market always tests new Fed. He walked away. He's like, what the F? What just happened? I was about to ask you guys to do something I haven't done yet. I want to make sure I can beat you guys to it. Don't forget to smash that lucky like button. Bam. Lucky number 43 in the house. All right. $608, a lot of micros. I don't want to go long here. Debating this. Right, we're a little bit far away from the EMAs right now. Hey, it might, Tom. You don't know till you try it. And if it doesn't, you didn't hit it soon enough. I want to go long too. Oil is green now too. Hey, crude oil is in the green. Cosby down 22. Nikkei down 584. And Mr. CL. Oil on the move up. That's not good for the markets. So. Yeah, Alley Cat, what's up? Let's just push it. Push it, push it, push it. Wonder how many people they caught on the sell side at the open. Kind of ripped them pretty good. ES up 40. NASDAQ right now up 279. Was up more. Just wanted to go. I think the easy trades are already done for the night. Easy move was right off the lows, playing towards the point of control in that structure breakdown point. Now we're left with the scraps. U.S. military launch strikes on Iran. All right, there we go. I came at 826. Man, where was I? Come on, just get it. Hey, Roach, what's up? Come on, don't go down. I'm a little bit leery because that night we've been seeing some turns. You get pretty substantial moves down. 8 to 8:30-ish. Look, right around 8 o'clock, we were up here at these highs, so I am a little bit nervous about that. Love to see it rip all the way back up there. I don't know if it's gonna do that though. That got me. All right, now I'm down for the stream. I think I'm down a few dollars on the stream. Nikkei is still trying to go back up there. Cosby's like, not really sure about that. And oil's going up, but it's not rocketing. So even with the U.S. attacking right now, oil's not going crazy. Market's selling off here a bit. A little bit. Yeah, round 3. I want to be a little bit more patient, but same time, I want to get that money back. Base ripper. It'd be funny. July ends up being a great month. The next 2 days, we just rip on new all-time highs. Yeah, throw that window dressing on it. Excuse me. Get all dressed up. really want to be long too. Man, my price bars are so lagged. Oh man. I need to download the .8 version and see if that fixes the price bar lag. Should have rallied out of the zone. Yeah, it's just taking a sweet old time. See a 3 to 5 week correction in NQ. NQ's already down like, I think it's down like 11, almost 12%. At one point today, I don't know where the actual low was. Like every time we go up, it's like quick little spike down. Where's the big ripper upper? How much was I up on that trade? A couple $100 for it to come back on me. Hopefully this isn't going to be a bear flag. Flag pull. Here's the flag. Hopefully not. That'd be no bueno. 600 to 550. Hopefully closer to 600, Captain. No 550. Let's be closer to 600. 700. Give me plenty of room to get this target out. So sell Sunday at 20,306. Saw Q 659 today. I want to go actually measure the percentage drop from all-time highs. Yeah, it's something like that. Something's jacked up. It was really throwing me off getting into the market at first, too. I'm watching the price line, and the price line doesn't match up with the candles a lot of times. Short term coming into being oversold or overbought, exited, new session highs on the night. Good night. All right. And Iran's Bashar, Providence. You're short the 470. Wow, Jesse's looking for a big pullback. Hey, Jesse, I had to mute you. We could hear you cursing earlier. I had to mute you on the stream. You were saying a bunch of bad words. I guess you were still in the room or something. I'm just joking. I'm just teasing with you. I figured just over there MF in the markets. All right, look, we are back above the upper aggression channel. It is sloping downward. I'm going to proceed with caution, though, for the moment. Let's go look at the Kospi. Kospi's back green. Nikkei up, back up around 900 points at the moment. I did get Bob good yesterday. Hey, so Bob called me. Those of you wondering how I got Bob. Bob called me and said, hey, I got these Apex accounts. I'm trying to cancel them. I said, oh, the new ones? He said, yeah. I was like, oh, yeah, they don't cancel. They auto renew. Yeah, I don't want them. I said, well, you didn't read the fine print. The fine print says you have to keep paying the monthly fee until you pass them. He's like, what? I said, nah, I'm just teasing with you. I said, you don't have to cancel them. They expire after 30 days. He's like, my wife's going to kill me. I mean, anybody knows me outside of stream, I'm really a prankster, like, quite a bit. Like, I joke around way too much. And then I get mad, like my wife. Oh, my goodness. Jeez. Like, because I play jokes so much. When I tell the truth, she doesn't believe me. I'm like, I'm serious. That's what you always say. I said, all right, I understand why you don't normally believe me because I'm always joking, but this time I'm serious. Oh, man. So let's see if we're going to be able to go back up towards the highs, or Jesse going to get rewarded on that short. Wow, crude oil actually dropped quite a bit. If we go look at CL real quick, look, CL was just green, and now it's back down 40 points, 40 ticks, not points. Yeah, and that was just the other night, Tom. That was like last week. Oh, man. It's like, where's my menu? She goes, oh, it's right there. You got kids menu. A good thing I know what I want wherever I go out anyway, so I don't really have to look at a menu. I'm a picky eater, so. All right, so Nikkei's up 950. Kospi's back up 19. If we get the Kospi to keep going up, it could be favorable. Get more of a retracement up overnight of that nasty down move we got today. That was pretty nasty. Man, they did markets gave Warsh a big middle finger. Going about 29,000 tonight? Probably not. I mean, 29,000, we'd have to go way above the highs from today. Like that, I mean, you're asking for a lot there. From the low water mark, let's just see. 29,000-ish. That's close enough. Down to the low today, that'd be an 1,800 point range. So we have some news catalysts tomorrow, but I don't think it's gonna be that big to move the markets that much. That would definitely wreck some people trying to short the market. Hey, chicken nuggets is my default. Hey, Manuel, what's up? Manuel, what's up? What's up? Hey, I just started thinking about it, Manuel. I don't know if you emailed me back again. I was like, I remember I sent you an email. I was like, oh, dang it, I forgot to check my email. So I was going to look back at the email, see if you responded back to me. That's going good so far tonight. So far. I got out of the gate was easy tonight. Easy peasy. Because you got to have your choice of flavors, NASDAQ or S&P. We closed way below value area low, and we had a structure breakdown point right here as well. Easy peasy targets. NASDAQ and S&P. I'm not even making this up. I was on the phone with Jesse. He goes, hey, what are you going to do? I told Jesse, I'm going to be ripping it. He goes, really? I said, yeah, I'm going to go for a big move. So, hey, Chris, what's up? Good evening. Hey, look, here we go. We're going to take out the highs. Right there. 611 incoming. And that's fine. I don't have to participate at the moment. I am watching. If we get up to that second man, I might be inclined to smack it. Hey, Leo, what's up? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. You guys haven't yet? Bing! That like button. Just hit it real quick. Smash it. We got the hiccups again. I don't know why you guys give me the hiccups. I never hiccup so much in my life till I go on stream. All right, new session highs. Let's see, is it ES? I don't think the ES is breaking highs yet. Oh, look, we're working on bar number 9 right now, too, on the ES. NASDAQ is also working on bar number 9. Yeah, options flow was ripping all day today. And that's why I was really surprised at the end of the day when we came down as much as we did. I mean, look at it. We did dip a little bit, but look how much price went down. And options flow stayed up until the very, very end. They dumped it at the very end a little bit. And not even massively. It was still over net positive 9.7 billion. That's pretty decent. And just to put it in perspective for you guys, just so you guys can see, if we look at the prior day. Well, if I go back and look at the prior day, look, we closed at About 8.8 billion. I need to put this back on the right date. Otherwise, tomorrow I'm going to be jacked up. And it's not moving. About your volatility issues. Sounds like you have range anxiety. What's that shiny object? Squirrel. Hey, Bob, it's options flow. Options flow data. Look at the delta and stuff. Yeah, we got a 9 count. We are above the upper regression channel, but I'm not looking to go short yet. I am willing to go short, just not yet. We're at the 50%. I really don't think I even want to look for a short until we get to 61.8. One of the reasons, look at the candle body right here. That is a very large down candle. We've already regained 50% of it, which increases the probabilities. We're going all the way up to the top of the candle body, which is going to be 7-11. Oh, thank heaven for 7-11. So I don't want to short yet until at least we've reclaimed that. And then maybe I'll look for shorts above there and a little that level and a little bit higher. Oh, we are at the second deviation band. I didn't see that, Raj. I saw it, but for some reason I thought it was the first deviation band. So we are at the second deviation band. Earlier we came up there, bam, smack down. Came up there, bam, smack down. Is we gonna go back down? S&P almost got the second deviation band, smack down. Smack it. So hoping for a little bit higher first. 2.51 to be exact. If Vale said the sweet spot. I do like it right between there. I didn't have the exact number, but yeah, 470 is Jesse's target. Man, maybe I should have took that 9 count up there. I really didn't realize we're at the second deviation band, but I want to see a little bit further up. Hey Yoda, how'd you import the 2 years of data? How'd you do that? Huh. Hey, does TradingView have an export feature for that, Yoda? Huh. Oh, with strategy? All right. Hey, over here on Bookmap, I missed this too. As we came up there, you see that large bubble. You see right here, we had 139 contracts absorbed. Big stop run up there too. You guys might not be able to see that, but down here, stop loss indicator went running up right there. So, oh, you know what? I lied. That wasn't absorption. That was 139 stop loss orders. I forgot I changed my colors around. So. Raj, are the deviation band size? Are the deviation band size? Oh. Fast 3 TPT vowels today. Nice. Yorinko set up and watching Hakanashi candles in the 1 minute. Hey, good deal on that. I don't see it over there on the ES. I did see absorption before we got to the top up there, but not all the way up there. When new all-time highs? Nah, TQ, but I don't think they have an API. I mean, it links into Ninja, but they don't give you access to the API that I'm aware of. Be pretty cool if they did. I think Jesse said they're working on it. I could be wrong though. Greetings from Phoenix. Hey, what's up? Captain Slack. Let's go. All right, so we're getting a pretty good little knee jerk back down from here. That's 89 points. Definitely could have got a handful of points off that had I taken a trade. Well, at least hopefully I could have. All right, Cosby still up 32. Nikkei up 990. Crude oil down 57 points, 57 ticks, 57 cents, however you want to look at it. Hey, when is all-time high? Hey, Manuel, we might not hit all-time highs for a hot minute. But what's funny is if you look at RSP, the Equal Weight S&P 500, look at this on the daily. Daily, not on Wednesday, but Tuesday, we're making all-time highs. Actually, we might even made a new all-time high today, did we? I don't know. It's going to be close. Let's see. 218.05. Nope. Oh, we did. Actually, the last 2 days, RSP made new all-time highs. So we did spike up just enough to get all-time highs, a couple ticks above yesterday's high. But then you look at the SPY itself, not so much. Actually, not a good day today. We look at all-time highs, the SPY's current price is about 4% down. So trying to pull back here a bit. Cosby only up $2.78. Cosby's making me a little bit nervous. Yeah, I'm actually hoping for a decent bounce back up and then opportunity to get short in a big way. But we'll see if the market wants to participate with my logic. Yeah, the bands are definitely being respected, Raj. I'm kind of kicking myself for not taking the trade. But 700 Qs. Let's go look. Qs. Wait, we do have a gap up around just above 700. Actually, a true gap fill would be 705.35. Actually, look at this. NASDAQ's down about 11.75%. Golly. MACD looks horrible on that chart. Let's see 4 hour. It doesn't look good there either. Does not look good. We're at POC 773.77. I don't look at the developing POC, especially at night. To me, that's not as important. I'm more concerned with the POC from the day at 74.03.75 than the developing POC for myself. I know some people like to use it, but I don't like it in Asia. Sometimes I'll use it for a target during the New York. Yeah, midterms aren't going to help the markets either. Iran says missile attack hits residential area on Kashim Island. Ooh, get me to want to swing at this. No such thing as a sure bet. No, don't go yet. Don't go. Don't go. Don't go. Come on, stupid market. Come on. Dog it. Got my chart all jacked up. I'll try to move the friggin' thing. Yeah, more negative news for a pump. Yeah. Pick a direction, manage the risk. Hey, a fun game that you can play if you guys ever want to practice reading the markets. Go into Market Replay, Ninja, or any other platform that has a feature where you can trade on historical data and flip a coin. Start it at whatever time in the morning. Flip a coin, heads you buy, tails you sell. Enter the market. Make it where you have to take at least 6 trades throughout the day. And you always have to be in a trade. So once you enter the first trade, the only button you can use is reverse until the end of the day. You can only use the reverse button. And then at 4 o'clock, you can hit the close button and see where you end up. So you can take as many trades as you want, but a minimum of 6. That way you can't just get in a trade and just hold it. Like when the markets were just ripping every day. It's a lot harder than you think it will be. It is very, very challenging. So right when you get in the first trade, you hit reverse and go the other way. Yeah, a whole day. We can do it so usually when I do playback, I do faster than normal speed. I'm not doing it on a Renko chart. I'm doing it more like a 1 minute, 5 minute chart. All right, hey, we have a potential. Let's look at this. We might have a little ABC pattern starting to form. Look what we have right up here too. We have some FEGs right around that 750 area. See, the market will make it up there. Hey, you turn around, the market turns around with you. If I ever hit the reverse button in live money, it never ends well for me. It's always a bad trade. It's watching you. Yeah, it feels like the market is out to get us sometimes. I have that same feeling. Like, stupid market. Don't forget, the like button's still free to go ahead and smash. It is free, free, free. Smash, smash, smash. Gresham channel is still sloping up. I just don't know where we're at. Yeah, that is, Emmanuel, that is very, very frustrating when the market turns right before you. So if I'm ever looking for a target, I'm always front running that target. Always. For that very reason. And sometimes it still misses me by a couple tick. Oh, Jesse had a fun day today. He was living life. Hey, I think there's a way you can disable that. So 8.1.7.2 or 3 I have. What do I have? Yeah, 8.1.7.2. And when I updated this version, the price line doesn't match my candles on the Renko. A lot of times. I don't know why. Very irritating. They sped up the refresh rate of the chart, but the candles don't keep up now. It's like jacked up. Messes with my head too. The bid-ask lines don't keep up. So hopefully they fix that in 8.1.8. Think about downloading it. I haven't done it yet. So. 74.84. I think we do. Let's look. Yeah, orders are still there at 74.84. That's way up there. Like, we're not even close to that. Like, we're miles away. Did the restart Ninja? Oh, man. We revert back to 8.1.6. Yeah. 8.1.6, though, the profile's loaded really slow. I think that's where the problem started with my charts loading, taking forever. Like on one of them, it was even longer than it is now. It was just ridiculous. So I almost want to get rid of, like, delete everything and just start Ninja from scratch. But man, that's going to take such a long time, and I'm just not in the mood to do it. Especially when I'm already thinking about getting a new computer, but it'll probably still be a couple months, I would assume. Yeah, it feels pretty bullish. I agree with you on that. I think we're going to try to retrace a lot of this move up. Yeah, I traded in New York. I trade in New York every morning. Even when I'm not on stream, when I go out with the family, I'm trading it from my phone at that point. Yeah, I might be able to show you guys a picture. I said it to Jesse one time. Jesse and I think Bob saw it too. I was on a ride at the theme park and they snapped the picture, like the picture of you on the ride. I'm sitting there trading the markets. Let's see if I can find that. My wife's like, really? Let's see if I can find it. Oh, it's gonna be so long ago. Yeah, I'm not gonna go through it right now. It's gonna take forever. That wasn't that roller coaster. It was actually that was actually the Haunted Mansion I was on. I had the brightness turned all the way down. I was in a trade. So I was in a bunch of micros. It might have been the day. I could be wrong, but it might have been the day when Trump. I know I was there that day. I don't know if that was a ride or it was a different ride. When Trump announced something with the tariffs on, and we put the bottom in back in April of 2025. Mike on the NQ 757. Retracement of the drop. Let's look at that real quick PK. Yeah, 755, 757, somewhere in that ballpark. So when I draw my fibs, I'm just trying to get general areas, not necessarily right to the tick. So you might be right to the tick, BK, but somewhere in that ballpark. So the impulse move was down. And if we come all the way up here and we get above the 786, that'd be ultra bullish when we come back in that zone. Look, we just barely ticked in that zone again. We had that mapped out on the stream this afternoon. Then down we went. Actually, I think we mapped out that zone this morning on the stream. On the 30-minute, I do not. We have one that could be forming right here on the 5-minute. Be all the way down here like this, A to B. So we still got to take out the B point right here. And the target on that would be 735. Remember this candle body right here. 711 is the top of that candle body. We've already reclaimed 50% of that candle. So good chance that we're going back to that candle body high. I'm always gonna trade every day. I at least gotta place at least one trade every day. Otherwise, I feel like, I missed out on opportunities that the market was giving out. And sometimes I wish I did not trade. I've had a disaster. You want to hear about a disaster? Hey, here's the disaster trade on my phone. You guys like disaster stories. So we were at, what was it? Yeah, we're at Epcot. And we're going on the Frozen ride. We're waiting in line. We go inside. And the building, I pull out my phone. I'm like, oh, man, I'm going to get in this. Hit the button. Nothing happens. Hit it. Nothing happens. Boom, boom, boom. Nothing happens. I said, crap. My wife pulls out her phone. She goes, I ain't got no internet. I was like, oh, yeah, me neither. I put my phone back in my pocket. Finished waiting in line. We go on the ride. I get off. I'm like, all those orders filled. I don't know if they filled once I got internet connection somehow when my phone was in my pocket. Needless to say, that day I lost $18,000, something like that. It was stupid. What was funny is when I got, maybe it wasn't quite 18. Maybe the low water mark was 18. Maybe I lost like 13 or 16. I can't remember. But anyways, when we got off the ride, I went to go check the market. I'm like, how am I in this trade? And what I should have done is got out then. The loss would have been a lot smaller. I'm like, let me just see if we get a little bit of a bounce and I'll try to get out. So what I do, I added to the trade, trying just to get a little bounce. Guess what? What do you think happens once I finally say I can't take this no more and I get out? The market, right where I need to go. I was like, you gotta be effing kidding me. So now I have banned that ride. I will not go on that ride if I'm even thinking about getting in a trade. Ever. That ruined my day. The rest of my day. That was horrible. But hey, that's crap happens. I knew there was trading for my phone, but that definitely ruined my rest of my day. As soon as I get out, the Joker bounces. If I would just waited a few more minutes, I could have at least took a substantially less of a loss that day. But that's what happens. Oh yeah, you don't respect the market, it'll be like, bam, bad boy. Let's go look at the Kospi real quick. All right, I like this. Kospi's up 138. Nikkei up almost 1,200. 1198. Oh wow, HSI is about to open already. Holy crap. Looks like HSI might gap up too. A little bit. All right, HSI is up 60 points. Little gap up here. Yeah, hey Leo, I can't. I got a sickness. Like I Saturdays I try to check the market. Got my phone. What's the market doing? Oh, Saturday. Oh, it gets me all the time. Every Saturday I do it at least once. Let's watch 735. See if we can complete that pattern. All we gotta do is get above 664. Then that pattern is validated, and we'll see if we make it to 735. Coming up on the high of the day right now. Let's see, can we get it? Can the markets get it? Maybe it will, maybe it won't. We shall find out. Goes above 649. I think we hit 700. Well, I think not only 700, but 711 and then 735. So above 664, I think we go to 700, 711, 735. I don't know. That's a good question. I wonder where Jesse's at. I'm sure he's listening to the stream. Oh, it's only 9:30. I was thinking it was later. Hey, Jesse, if you're listening, are you still short? Call in Jesse. Call in Jesse. Are you still short? You're long at 565? Nice. Headed home on the moped. Oh. Oh, we hope he got stopped out if he was still in it. Yeah, hey, Jesse, we did miss it. All right, look. We're going to come on up there. Let's see if we complete that pattern. Do we get the pattern? 735 is the target. 1 minute ABC pattern. Still going. Oh, you're right, BK. We're back above the second deviation band. We're back above it. Third deviation is at 727. Let's see. Do we make it up there? I don't know. I didn't see it. Huh. I don't know. Yeah, remember, smash that like button. Get it, get it, get it. Let's go see the Kospi. HSI only up 53. Nikkei up 1296. Kospi up 234. I'm liking it. Feeling pretty good. And Q went cray cray. So look, NASDAQ right now is at 413 points. Oh yeah, I'm up big tonight. I had some had a couple of really good trades off the open. They made it easy for us. Big layups. Easy. We closed way below value area low. We had the structure breakdown point right here. Easy peasy, right on up there. Same thing on the NASDAQ. Closed below value area low. Structure breakdown point, easy peasy. Look, from the opening print to value area low, you're looking at almost 300 points. Huge. So. All right, let's see if we're going to break in at 700. Oh, yeah, it's a 5 minute. I thought it was a 1 minute. So ABC patterns on the 5 minute. I was like, man, why does it look like we're not really moving? I was trying to figure out the scaling of the chart. So. They were already down 1.9. Hey, find out how much drawdown does your account have? Hopefully you're in a 150K account. Hopefully. So they don't go pow. Come get your last $100. Blow you up. Oh, 25K account. Hey, find out, is that a funded account though? Or an eval? It's gotta be funded. It's gotta be funded. Business bank account in the UK. Hey, which firm is that? Finite? A business bank account. I haven't heard that one yet. Apex. A business bank account. That doesn't even sound right. I don't know. Something sounds funny there. I think I tried to open up another ticket. That's weird. And first deviation bounce up. Use self-employment code with it to open it. Wow, that's crazy. I've never heard of that. I've never heard of anybody telling me that, Finite. That's really weird. Hey, wasn't Trader Kane from the UK? Did he get like $2 million payout? Hmm. $63 pop accounts. 63 in one day would be bad. 63 overall is not bad. Yeah, that's crazy. This doesn't sound right. I mean, maybe it is, but all right, we did hit the we did break the validation point of that pattern. So we should be able to make it to 735. What's the high water mark right now? 690. Top of that candle body's around 611 or 711. Let's see if we make it. Can they get it? Get it? Cosby still trying to go up. Nikkei up 1400. Lost 20K in 2 minutes. 20K. Holy shoot. That's a big loss. When you get to the US, you're like, oh, I gotta move somewhere else. Hey, white boy, good evening. Let's go. Let's go. Keep pushing new session highs. Hey, Paul, was he trading Apex's money or his own personal account? I think he has a live account with Apex, or he did. Hope it holds up tomorrow. Capitulates late bears tomorrow. Oh, his own. Was he trading NASDAQ or the ES? That's a big smack against you. That was huge. NASDAQ preparing to turn. Hey, Raj, we do got the 9 count on the 5 minute. 9 count on the 5 minute. Hopefully we can just push and hit that target first. I don't know if we're going to. Before we get the little pullback. Trade strictly in Q. Huh. So, hey, he's got to be making a lot of money on big days if 20K didn't make him flinch. Best copier is, in my opinion, is the one I'm using. Let me get you a link for it. So right there, that's the best one, in my opinion. What the heck? There we go. All right. Time to short the NQ, it seems. Tired. Maybe. We're at the second deviation band. I want to wait and see, can we hit that 735 target though? So I'm not going to short it. I want to see if we can complete that pattern. Yeah, I hate to blow up a lot of accounts at once. Yeah, it does suck. Apple turned red. I like red apples better anyways. I like red apples better than green. If it hit 735 and we're still up here in these bands, I might be willing to take a shot short. I might be willing to take a shot. Yeah, too sour. Yeah, I had a good day today. Nice. Finally made it to your desk. I mean, there's a lot of excitement in the markets today, for sure. I had a lot of losing trades, a lot of winning trades, but overall, I had a really good day. Another outsized gain today. So I'm already up pretty good for the night. I caught the rip right off the open. So do not counter trend. I can't help it. I really like the counter trend in the market. And when we get in these one directional days, it gets a little spicy sometimes. Yeah, how many great things the task force has done? I don't have a name for my strategy. I didn't learn it from nobody. It's all my own. Like, I don't know. I didn't come up with a name for it. I wasn't trying to sell something. So I have a lot of different strategies I trade. Several loud blasts heard in Iran's. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Hey, crude oil is down 78 cents. Let's go see if the Kospi's holding up. And right now I'm just in a holding pattern. I'm trying to pull back a little bit. Small little pullback. Nothing much. Hey, dollars. Good evening. Yeah, I know a little everything. You mix and match and drop the mic setup. Oh, there we go. New session highs. I never really thought about name. I mean, when I like to get away from the EMAs, maybe a rubber band trade, snapback. I don't know. I don't really have names for them. I just trade it. When I see this, I do that. Then sometimes I wish I didn't do that. Slamma, Bama time. Raj, I should dump here. Not yet, Raj. We got to hit my target up here. 735. Mr. Market, please. Here is your home. Go home, please. Yeah, pink zone. But I don't have a name for that though, other than pink zones. The pinky strategy. Yeah, ET, go home. So hopefully the market will listen to me. Hey, nice market. Just go there, and then I might smack you back down. Please and thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Don't forget, guys and gals, if you haven't yet, it's not too late to smash that free little lucky like button. So if you're struggling tonight, it's probably because you didn't smash that like button. Get it, get it, get it. Come on, get it. Break the session high, 695. Quick blast to 735. We get a quick. I will smack it. I've been trading since 2005. June or July of 2005. Come on, get it, get it. Close getting 2K back. Nice. Let's go. Block still suggests more upside. Yeah, I hope so. I just wish we'd go up there and take that ABC pattern. I don't like that we're not just going boom, boom, boom. Come up, make a new session high, and be like, right back down. Do I want to short it? Old enough to drink? Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Is they gonna do it? Raj's like, dump. I'm like, go up. Raj's like, dump it. Sell. Which we should. I mean, we are up there in the bands, so Raj ain't wrong for saying dump. We are up here. I'm just hoping we push a little bit further up before we dump. So see a 9 EMA on the 5 to long, and I won't short. Yeah, somebody's buying here. Stupid market. The only way I can think of to get the market to really go up is let me get in a long and I'll close it out real quick. And then it'll go up there. Good breakout or breakdown? I'm hoping for a breakout. Breakout, squeeze, and hit that ABC target, and then let me smack it. Yeah, United States resumed military action. Yeah, I saw that. And yet, oil is down 70 cents. Hey, Manuel, good night. Yeah, see the spreads jump every now and then, but then they come back in line. Yeah, won the war again. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Let's get it. Come on. Run up there and get my target. Watch, I'll end up getting my target. I'll short it and we'll get the biggest up candle of the night. Yeah, that'd be great. That would be my luck. Yeah, fade trades working. Try reading the news real quick. Ah, dang it. Are we not going to get up there and get my target? I wanted to short it. I was waiting for the market to get up there so I could short it. Stupid market. That stinks. Come on, just rip up there, please. I really want to short it. Cosby up 294. DK up 1345. I really, really, really want to short it. Try to help me every night. Hey, what'd you say before that, Mongo? I missed it. Come on, get on up there. I'm not going long for the rest of the target. See if we can get up there. I might smack it back the other way. We are kind of elevated away from the VWAP, though. It makes me a little bit nervous. I feel like I might miss it. Slam Bama time. I want a little bit higher so I can initiate that position. Oh, I have no problem shorting a parabolic market. And that's why I get myself in trouble sometimes. Yeah, lack of a stop loss will kill accounts. No doubt about that. Come on, push, push, push. Please. Come on, push it. Get on up there. 695 is session high. We're looking for 730. I'm looking for 735. Let's get it. Yeah, master losing for sure. I know it doesn't sound sexy and appealing, but can't learn how to lose, you're going to end up losing big. And while we're waiting for the market to go on up there, don't forget to smash Mr. Lucky like button. But wait and see, can we complete that target right up there? Right here, here, here. Go home, Mr. Market. Yeah, best loser wins. Yeah, I have the audiobook. Please get up there. Please and thank you. I like to see a fast move up there. That is an issue, Raj. That is a common theme with traders. In the US, we can't trade CFDs in the US. So Hey, Benjamin. Good evening. Having a hard time getting up there. Hey, Raj, we're having a little bit of a difficult time getting up there. I wonder if we are going to pull back first. We're only pulling back because the market knows I want to short it. Otherwise, it'd be ripping. Let me get in a short and we'll get that big old blast up. I don't have an account giveaway this evening. We did 2 giveaways, New York, and I think we're going to try to do 2 tomorrow. Maybe. Let me go look real quick. Make sure I still have access to some accounts. All right, trying to bring it on down. Stupid market. Didn't want to give me a shot to get up there so I can short it. Yeah, we're up there in the second deviation band. We're in a good spot VWAP wise to short it up here at the second deviation band. What's keeping me at bay though for the time being for the short is the ABC pattern completing at 735. Now this could end up just being a busted pattern. But we'd have to go all the way down to 563 to bust that pattern, which it could happen. But I want to wait and see, can we get up here and still be elevated in the bands? Not necessarily. Not if you put into practice what you learn in the books. You put in the work. All it takes is practice. Being able to admit that you're wrong on a trade. Yeah, I agree with you. Experience is the best thing. Market replay, sim trade as much as you can. 100%. Sometimes on the weekend, I trade Bitcoin on TradingView just so I can place a couple trades. Just to trade chart patterns on the days the market's closed. I know it seems silly, but it is what it is. All right, here we go. Let's get on up there. Hopefully my patience pays. They say it pays to be patient. Let's see. Target's at 735. I'm not in a long here, but the completion of the ABC pattern completes at 735. So actually, did I get caught up moving this drawing around? Oh, there we go. Let me do it again. Boom. Boom. Yeah, right around 735. Bulls are coming out. Yeah, I'll see how long the bulls stay out for, though. When they come out and get my 734, 735 target. Stay up there in the band so I can, bam, smack it. Smack it real good. Maybe. Maybe not. Really, NASDAQ's at 400 points. Let's see. What do we got for liquidity? Anywhere? Any liquidity hiding around us? Lowest, we have 40 contracts at 417. And above us, we get 40 contracts, 928. I kind of think this might be a spoof order. Look, we had liquidity here, little gap, and then we get liquidity back. Yeah, books are kind of thin. 28,200, we get 58 contracts. I might be getting carried away there. Now on the ES, we have a little bit of liquidity right here at 7,400. 05 to 10. This little layered in liquidity here. Then all the way up here at 74.40 and 74.45-ish. So yeah, aim for 20. 1-to-1 reward to risk ratio. And then if you can get to the point to where you can, when you're wrong, lose 20 bucks. When you're right, make 40 bucks. It's a lot easier to make money in that scenario. Yeah, if you're scared, you will likely lose it. Scared money don't make money. That is a fact. Trying to pull back here a little bit. Dang it, I really want to see that 735-ish level hit. We still have not come all the way back here yet either. We haven't came all the way back up to the top of that candle yet. Coming close. Look on the 30-minute. Not really liking that. Look at that candle. Look at the wick. Could be bearish. And we're trying to form another one right after it. This candle. Oh, we still got 25 minutes until this candle closes, though. Yeah, bull's giving up. We're trying to. DK is trying to roll over a little bit. HSI's trying to go back up. A little upset here. If this market goes down without me, I'm going to be a little bit upset. Knocking sound comes from Bookmap. So I have it correlated with the, it's called a tool called Market Pulse. It's correlated with the ES and the NASDAQ. I have the threshold set at 81, negative 81, positive 81. And the faster the knocking noise, the more aggressive the sellers are. The faster the chirping noise, when we get above 81, the more aggressive the buyers are. Yeah, slam me, bammy. Still hoping we don't go down yet. We may. We could go down, definitely, but I'm hoping we don't. I want to get up here so I can short it. I want to go ahead and get up there so I can take a swing at it. You're literally sick of making money? How do you get sick of doing that, JD? Yeah, I'm thinking about that too, Apple, but I still want to wait. I want to wait a little bit more. I'm not ready yet. So hopefully the market will just, give me what I want. Hey, Ultimate, what's up? Trump said you could get tired of winning. Residential buildings and your crane damaged. I did good today. I had a good day. Yeah, hey, J-Lo's definitely use a stop and target on all your trades. If you put a trade out there with no stop, with no target at least, how are you going to get out when you're in the money? What if you walk away for a moment, come back and be like, oh, dang it, just spiked up like I needed it now. It's getting smoked. Hmm. Well, let's actually go look at the volume. I would assume. But let's go check that out. SPY. Daily. Yeah, it was a decent volume day. What about Qs? Yeah, building volume on the Qs as well. Still not crazy. We had way more volume on this sell-off over here than we had today. Kospi trying to go back up. The sell-off this afternoon was pretty intense, though. Hey, Cheryl, I used to have an indicator on the 5-minute chart, or I'd usually run it on the 5-minute, but it plotted the candles Hakanashi colors, but I could see the true open, high, low, close. Because the Hakanashi, you don't necessarily see all the true values of the candle. Come on, Joker. You gonna start trying to pass an eval in 22 days? Yeah, Eric, from tonight. I got a big push off the low, right off the open. Big push. That was a good chunk of it. Man, I feel like we're not going to get to my target where I want to short it. Well, that stinks. I really want to get up here, right? Yeah, because I want to short it. It's not giving me the opportunities yet. Yep. Passing one day entices people to hurry up and YOLO it, and then you get into a funded account, you blow it up. If you do pass. If not, you most likely blow it up. We might go down test New York session lows. I just hope we go up first. I want my short, where I want to start initiating a short is up here at 734-ish. And we're just not up there yet. So I'm being patient. Bottom's in for the next 3 weeks, Eric says. Calling it now. Oh boy. Look, hey Eric, just by you saying that, you're making the market go up. Wow. Thought it was 750. Oh, 750 is another target, Bob, but 735 is where I said I want to start a position. You're probably thinking up here at the 786. I mean, I'm sorry, 61.8 with 755. I'm willing to take a swing up here around 735, assuming we're still up there in the bands. That's the big assumption at the moment. $8,100 this year. 8,100. Yeah, we can still do that. Hey, Bob, you're still thinking about trying to cancel those accounts. Oh, man. Don't forget, if you guys haven't yet, to smash it real good. Bing, 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 bing. Wish I hurry up and get there. The market like died now. We're in that doldrum of the markets. Market's like, ooh, Mike's wanting to short me. Yeah, I can't go up there. Can't let him make no money here. String Bean, I appreciate that. See you in the morning. And we get a dip back down. And Ross says, love the sound. Yeah, I really want to short that too. Hey, now look, here's the other problem I have now. Now, if we make it up to 735, it might not be as enticing. And maybe we'll still be above the second man. But I really like the push we had up. And we could push up a little bit more. I want to short it, but no such luck for me. Yeah, finding the way in. Hey, Bob, they're trying to stop you from making money. Conspiracy. They're out to get you. Let's go check on the Kospi and stuff. Dow's not up a whole lot. Dow's at 137. Kospi trying to roll over a little bit. Ooh, Nikkei came down quite a bit. HSI is red now too. I feel like I might have missed it. Gosh darn it. Yeah, a lot of people like that lockout feature. Running on a 1 minute? No, you could though. Where the Kospi goes, our markets have been going. I got on a 5 minute. You see it rolling over, but look, the MACD is back down towards the zero line. Is this going to be just a little whoop right back up? Or is that just a fantasy? I don't know that we have Kospi futures. Probably not. I would assume no, but I don't know. I don't look to trade the Kospi. I use it for what are the overseas markets doing to get a gauge of the moves we're having in our markets. Kospi's been getting smoked and it's been chips have been going down with it. So, yeah. I've never traded the DAX. Never, ever. Yeah, I've never traded it. People say it's pretty wild. Never done it. Slower version of NQ. Man. I'm getting sick to my stomach. Just watching this NASDAQ come down. When I wanted to be short, I just want to go up a little bit higher so I can get in. Yeah, hating on the like button. I don't know where Jesse's at. U.S. military latest strikes on Iran completed. All right. Yeah, basically Samsung. Hey, so how has Yeah, look. SK Hynix took out the new lows today. Speaking of new lows. SpaceX didn't close at the low. It closed at 112. Low today was somewhere around 107. 1,060. Come on, Joker. Oh. I think Jesse's trying to come on. Let me get my new headset. Where is the on button again? Hey. Let's see. Here's Jesse.
All right. What's up, everybody?
Living the dream. Getting frustrated, waiting for the market to go up to my target so I can short it.
Yeah, it's kind of super slow and then big spurts. Kind of an odd evening.
Yeah, I should have just shorted it early. I was like, if I short it early, it's gonna smack me in the face.
All right, my microphone reset itself to 70%, so let me fix that. Sorry, everybody. There we go. Is that better? I wonder where I can go in Windows. I hate the newer version of Windows. They moved everything everywhere, and I don't. There used to be a setting where you can turn off that automatic leveling of the microphone.
All right, trying to lift up here again.
Is it pushing?
Yeah, but now we came down to the first band. I'm scared that when we get to my target, we're not going to be up there in the VWAP bands like I wanted earlier.
Hey, where's your ABCD pattern that you were talking about? Where does that?
735.
735?
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay.
That could be off by a point or two, but in that ballpark.
Ah, shoot. Hold on a sec. Hold on.
Yeah, right after you get out and went up. Nice. Always love to see that when you TP and it goes the other way. As soon as you get out, that's always a good thing. Good feeling. But in between the 20 and the 50, below the 200. Might be upset. We go all the way down. I'm a little bit upset. I really want to see that target hit up here. I wonder if this is going to end up being a failed pattern. If we do come down below 566, it's going to end up being a failed pattern. Yeah, it may revisit VWAP. I hope not. It might. All right, HSI went green again. Barely. The bomb's in for the year. Oh, let's look at Microsoft. There's Microsoft after hours. Up 7.49%. But look at Meta. Meta down 7.28%. Now Jesse's not talking. He said hold on for a minute. He's praying to the market gods. Institutions will dump, maybe. Oh, it looks like Apex extended their legacy sale till August 11th. So 90% off. Yeah, Eric, they're about to get activated now. So I was they had an option for me, and they're waiting for me to see which way I wanted to go with it. So they'll be set up next week. By the middle of next week, they'll be all set up. Some guy bought $400 worth of lost evals. I don't know. Maybe. 400K worth of lost evals. Jeez, that's a lot. Holy crap. Hey, so what's he suing him for? Kind of weird when I'm talking to these noise canceling headphones. Kind of weird. What's his claim against it? Spent all this money, I couldn't get a payout. He's an idiot. Hey, Brian,
Yeah,
I would disconnect and reconnect.
Sorry
Disconnect
about
from
that.
your data from Ninja and try to reconnect.
What happened?
Oh, Brian was saying his NT profit and Tradify dashboard don't match.
Oh, that's weird. Let me check my email and see if I can trade these Pro Plus accounts yet. No response.
Okay, you're still locked out.
Yeah. Darn it.
They're doing you a solid.
Yeah, probably. Although I probably could have, had I just held one micro this whole time, I'd probably have all that money back, huh?
No, not one of them. You would have went in the right direction, though. I mean, maybe in the NASDAQ. Maybe one in the NASDAQ you might be.
Yeah, but that would have been more risky.
Yeah, I mean, we're up 300 now, but we were up like 400 something points. Look at the pullback we have. 5 minute doesn't do it any justice. 84 points. I thought it was more than that. I'm feeling like I want to place another trade. Like waiting for that stupid target never got hit.
You're getting the itch?
Yeah, I waited and waited and waited and waited and waited. Never made it there.
What's up, plumber?
Now I'm like, F it. Let's get in. Full port, baby. No guts, no glory.
Oh, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if they do.
No, I'm reading back up through the comments, and Eric said if Jesse is talking, we can't hear him. But
Oh,
that
yeah, that's
might
when
have
you
been...
left. Yeah, that was when you left. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, Sitcom said they're done with military strikes too.
Really?
Yep. Hi, Jesse. Today's my funeral. No balls, no blue chips.
I saw that this morning, Lee. Yeah, me too, man. I got my butt beaten. Woo, I took a licking. But in all fairness, I also kicked some butt myself. I mean, I passed 2 Lucid 150K accounts. No, I mean, I passed one account 2 times. Passed it, blew up the funded. Passed another one, blew up the funded. And then I went on full tilt then. Full tilt. Then I just started buying them and putting on 9 contracts, being an idiot.
Jeez.
Oh, man.
That's crazy. Like right off the rip, 9 contracts?
Yeah, just trying to get a $1,000 trade times 9 and just pass the account in one trade. It almost worked once or twice.
How many accounts did you blow up in, trying to do that?
Trying to do that, I think it was 4. Yeah. So I passed the one that we were talking about last night and this morning, right? And then I was funded. And I was actually green on that account. I don't know why I didn't just stop. Silly me. But after that, then I bought one, passed it, blew it, reset. Oh, man. What a day.
And then passed it again, right?
That beats you up.
And then passed it again?
No. They're just the original one from last night that I almost had passed. I passed that this morning and then blew it up. Passed another one and blew it up. And then reset.
Then where are you at now?
Nowhere. Got nothing. I have my 3 live accounts with $200 each, but they have me manually locked out. So I opened a ticket and we'll see.
It's really irritating watching this come down. I wanted to be short.
Yeah.
Just didn't make it to my target. Kospi's pulling back a little bit too. Nikkei's pulling back. And HSI is trying to go back up. Crude oil is down $1.09. So what time do you think you had the most problems in the market today? At what time?
I don't know. I'd have to go back and look.
This is like the whole day.
Yeah. I don't remember. I think I was short. So I was on the right side of the trading. In fact, I had one banger. Woo! I had a single contract, $3,000 trade.
That's good.
That was beautiful. I sent you. That was the picture I sent you earlier.
Oh, was I on stream?
Yeah, actually, I had a few of those today.
Oh,
but
I saw that.
Then I got stupid.
It's funny how that works.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah. Stupid market. We're still going down.
Yeah, so you wanted it to get up there so you could go short.
Yeah, I wanted to short it. I wanted to be short. Hey, Raj kept talking. Hey, we're going to pull back. We're going to pull back. We're at the second deviation band. I was agreeing. I was hoping to hit the ABC pattern. Give me a little bit better spot. And then we just never made it. So. Yeah, VWAP's at 528. That's another 200 points lower.
Billy Gunn says, are you in something? I'm not. I'm getting ready to. I'm looking at a couple things. I mean, if I do anything, it's sim only unless I get an email back from TPT, but
long or short?
Probably not. I don't know. I'm analyzing.
Oh.
I'm analyzing. Let a brother analyze. Let's see. Let me zoom in.
We have a 9 count here, and I'm like itching to place another trade. Oh.
Well, I don't think we get along. I mean, I think it wants 585.
There you go, got it. 585, just get it.
Maybe 553. I'd be careful. I don't know. I wouldn't be I'm not looking for a long yet.
All right, so go long.
If we come down here and take out those previous swing lows, then I'll be getting interested, because then it'll flush down. I think it'll flush down here to this level I'm watching. The level I'm watching is 553. We get to 553, I'm smacking it long for sure.
Yeah, Trump chart's still working great. All right, F it. I went long. Let's see if I regret it.
I just heard absorption sellers on the NQ from Bookmap.
That might be good for me.
That might be good. That means there was aggressive buyers. Could go either way, though.
Did you just say you go both ways?
No, the market does.
I like the trade detector bubble too. Right there.
How did we get one?
Yeah. We gotta get back above it though. A little bit irritated with that short. I really wanted to short the market. Yeah, what a day, what a day, what a day it was. Kospi's only up 67. Nikkei's coming back. HSI down 12. I wonder if they're going to be able to flip these EMAs back up.
All right, I'm going short. All right, I'm short.
Where's your target?
Target's that number I was talking about earlier there. Hold on, I'll look at it in a second. I didn't have a darn ATM selected. I gotta add an ATM. Hold on. Okay, ATM is on. Target, let me move this, is gonna be 553. My FOMO'd. I probably should have waited for a little bounce, but we'll see.
Oh yeah, I appreciate that. Back into a VWAP. We might get it. It looks like we're going to VWAP. And it's quite a ways down there. So I won't be surprised. Time to go long. I don't know about yet. You might want to wait for VWAP. Might want to wait for the VWAP. Makaruski. We reach about, I think probably it's 10:37 already. Holy crap.
Wow. Time flies.
Yeah, what the heck? Holy camoly.
Come on, let's go. Go down.
Go down. Why do you want to go? Why do you want to go down?
I'm short to 553. Let's go.
Oh, Nikkei's at lunch now.
Ah, lunch break.
Yeah, those jokers. Yeah, definitely go slow. Speed will blow up accounts. Hospital's still open. It's still trying to pull back here a little bit. Think about taking a shot long. Thinking about it. Probably gonna regret this. Let's see. Do I regret it? Yep, I'm already regretting it. Closed it.
Closed it.
Yeah. I got scared out of it.
Got scared.
I'm really upset that short I missed.
Yeah, that would have been a nice one, huh?
Yeah, it would have been.
Jay Loves, I'm gonna need I'm gonna need some of your magic whatever when they let me trade the final $2 of these three, or $200 of these three accounts.
Yeah, BK, it's gonna bust it. It's gonna be a fail pattern. Son of a gun. The market's slow right now too.
Yeah, we need them to come back from lunch. No lunch breaks allowed.
They don't come back for a while.
Yeah.
Look at the Cosby's still hanging out down here. This will go up, but when? But when will it go up? We've had a pretty good move up today, this evening. I don't like the fact that the Cosby weakened. That makes me a little bit nervous. I went long again.
I don't know why my This is the weirdest thing, Mike. So I'm connected to Lucid right now.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no, I'm not. Okay, I'm connected to TPT. Sorry, my bad.
I don't use the Stream Deck for hotkeys for Ninja. No, I use it for the stream to switch scenes.
Ooh, nice little
Like
rip.
if I go Bookmap. Yeah, we'll see. I'm not out of it yet. I need to see a big old rip up.
Take it. Take it.
It's already came back.
I'm telling you, I like this 553. I'm still holding this. Took a little heat there on that little rip. But my stop's up. This is an exact 1-to-1 trade here, so not the best setup, but because I FOMO'd into it. I should have got short on that little pump up.
What, just now?
Yeah. But that's right. We'll see. Oh, here we go. Come on. Give me 553, baby. They're fighting.
VWAP is at 529. Yeah, it came down and stopped me out. Son of a beeper. Joker.
Come on, get
Joker. I even chased you. Trying to get 2 contracts on it, but I didn't want to fill them. I got one on. Kid Poker says, so tempted at short. Yeah, I wanted to short earlier.
Woo, nice.
Never made it to my short point. It's not enough anymore. The sugar comes all the way back down, we'd be mad. You want to have your position? Yeah, it's not a good feeling to be in. Just please let me out. Let me out. Let me out. I'll never do it again. Never. Come on. Come on. Oh, he missed 5K and wins. All right. That's better than being stuck being down 5K. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, it got me.
Come on.
Jeez.
Keep it going. You got it. Go.
Nice one, man.
I think this will put me back. Ooh, short term we came into being overbought too. I didn't get out. I gotta get out. Short term we got into being overbought. I gotta get out. That might have put me back at session highs or close to it.
I bet.
I've been having a lot of paper cuts lately. Paper cut, paper cut, paper cut. Then boom, decent move. I'm really upset that I didn't get this short right here. I was waiting and waiting for this short down. That was such a good trade too. Why not move my stop to break even? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I haven't been doing it recently. I don't want to be stopped out of the trade. I want to give it more wiggle room to try to go for the big move. SPX isn't trading right now. Look, SPX. See, it hasn't traded since 4 o'clock. Oh, the ES? I don't know where it's going to be in 3 hours. I have no idea. All I can do is put the trade on and manage the risk and try to get the most out of each trade. Ozzy's back up 84.
Nice little pullback there. Good thing you got out of that.
We came into being overbought, so I didn't want to overstay my welcome.
Mm-hmm.
That's what's been getting me lately too. We get up there, I'm like, a little bit more, a little bit more. Bam! Son of a... Should have got out. So...
I'm back in. Same target, short. Let's see if I can get it this time. Probably not. This has been the MO today for NQ for me. It goes the exact opposite way I go in, get entered in. I think my buttons are broken.
I just took another little scalp. No.
Nice.
New session highs. Let's go.
Let's go.
I feel like I could have got more. But I don't want to overstay my welcome. Want to see 7,400 on the ES? Yeah, I might get up there. I won't be surprised if it gets up there for London. Oh, SPX? I don't know about that till tomorrow. We'll see if the market can stay up. Remember, a lot of times when we go up all night long, New York session comes in and bam, smacks it down. Hey, Tom, I have the lifetime license to Bookmap. If you use code Mike20, you should be able to get a discount. I don't know if you checked out the link in the description box down below, but use Mike20 and get a discount.
Man, they're gonna get me again.
Hey, I get stopped out multiple times in a row, quite often. Like stop. Whoop.
Yeah, but my stops are bigger, so they hurt more. Oh, they just got me. Jeez.
Hey, but at least you're taking the stop.
Yeah. Man, oh man.
Puerto Rico bars that you found? Yeah, I have the global. I have global. Digital, you can't get live data for futures with it. So you have to get global or global plus. I have the lifetime license for global. Again, come right into being over short term overbought. Bink, right back down. Yeah, Mike 20. I don't think there's a space in between Mike and 20 either. I think it's all one. Let me check. It should be in the description box down below. Let's see. Yeah, Mike 20, no space. I think Mike's all cap locks too. And if you go to this, if you click this link, it'll take you to the pricing page. Oh man, that's a pretty good smackdown. Pretty good little smackdown there. You still short?
No, it tagged me out and then smacked. Dude, it's like, that's what I said. It's the MO today. I just probably need to sit out.
And like, why don't you see the overbought area? Oh, I did. I saw that area. I just didn't short it. Hey, like this one over here, I didn't sell it. I just exited my trade in that area. I'm still bitter that I missed my short that I wanted earlier. So I wasn't looking to really short the market. I wanted my area. I didn't get it. So now I'm just like not wanting to short it right now. No, I don't have any M&Q. No M&Q, no MES. No, I've seen bigger nights than this for Asia. But what happens tomorrow? You know, quite often we gotta be careful. So you look for another trade or what?
I'm trying to make up my mind on whether or not I need to flip my damn bias and start going long here. I don't know. We're in a tricky spot.
You know, the best way to find out, you gotta put a trade on.
Yeah, all right, I'm gonna try another short. I'm going for another one, boys and ladies and gentlemen.
I don't know how much I paid for my iceberg order indicator.
That same 53.
Look at my credit card though. Hold on. Look at my credit card. I'll tell you.
Yeah, I think it's $300 I pay.
I don't pay that much. I don't pay that much.
No, that includes the other stuff. I have the whole MBO bundle and all that.
I have that too.
Yeah, but you own Bookmap outright. I don't. I have to.
That is a different. Yeah, I own it
Yeah.
outright.
Yeah.
Let's find a transaction. Bookmap. I paid $134 for the stop loss and iceberg orders. $134 even, no change on the credit card. I mean, $34 for data. I don't have data for gold in the Dow anymore or crude oil. Only have it for the CME. You're smacking it down. So you should have shorted it again.
I did.
Yeah, per month. Per month.
Yeah, I'm up 445. So maybe I'll get those 2 losses back, like you always do, man.
You might. There's a chance.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
There's a chance. Might be a good chance. May not be a good chance. Might be a great chance.
Boom, 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 boom.
I kind of want to go long again.
You okay?
Don't rage click. Oh, I'm not rage clicking.
That was me earlier today.
Wouldn't mind get one more trade in. One more good trade, and they're like, bam. It might bam me right against my friggin' eyes. Like, think. I just want a good trade. I don't want a bad trade. One more winning trade is all I want. That's why I placed that one. Then I want one more. Hey, see you later, Chris. Have a good night. They're gonna get me here. Come on. Don't rip yet. Don't rip. Don't rip. Joker.
Did it go without you?
Not yet. It's trying to.
I was up $500 on this and I didn't take it.
What do you have now?
280-ish. I hope someone didn't record you like they did last time. That's funny, J Loves.
How many contracts you got on?
Just one. I'm trying to calm the nerves and get back, get back to normal.
One more squeeze up. I don't know if I'm going to get it.
I'm in a short, so of course you're going to get it.
I don't think so. It's going back down. Spread's a little bit wider at times tonight, too. Hey, stay broke. Don't tell him that. All right, I'm out. Oh, man. I wish it would have been $1 more.
That's all right.
Whatever. I got to win.
You can get one more for $1.
Hey, we might have a little ABC pattern up here on the 1 minute. Jesse's like, shut up. We're not going to talk about it. We got to break the B point, though. We break the B point right here at 631. ABC target 648. Do we get it? We didn't get the one earlier that caused me to miss that short trade. So upset with that. So upset. We might not even go up there and break the high. Might just run down to your target.
Yeah, come on. Let's go.
All right, that's good. A little bit lower, invalidate the ABC. Yeah.
Come on.
We're not going to get the ABC pattern.
Come on, baby. Let's go.
It's got to go down. What else could happen?
Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. It's going to have to break that swing low, though. It's going to have to break it. Come on.
I don't like the Kospi right now. It's good for you, but...
Hey, John, good to see you, buddy.
Hey, John, what's up?
Oh, come on.
You got it. It's going to get you.
I'm up $850.
How much you lose on the two losing trades?
I don't remember. I don't know.
Oh, well, it was my see if this gets you back.
Yeah, I think it was my 350 plus 350. So I'm
700.
Yeah, I'm more than back. So we'll see. Although I think I might have moved one of those stops. I can't remember. Stay Broke says take it. Yeah, I'm about to, but it's right there. It's right there. Come on, give me 53. Give me yeah, target fill, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, that was a banger of a trade right there.
Let me see. I didn't get my short trade.
Let me see. Let me hit Control E. And we'll look at the exact entry and exit. Let's see. All right, the entry was 606 and the exit was 553. Not bad.
Hey Raj, look how big of a trade that was. We hit that VWAP 148 points. Dang
Ooh.
it. Oh, they're getting it to the downside. See if that little move put Cosby in the red. The Cosby's only up 10 now. Yeah, this probably ain't gonna end well. Assuming this ends badly. GG selling. I don't like where we're at. We're at the VWAP, but yeah, I don't think so.
I just heard absorption sellers on the ES.
Short term, we're in the oversold area too. So it's like, do we bounce or do we keep going? I'm cooking it. Holy crap.
Mr. High Off the Music says only down from here.
Might be.
I'm liking that 490. I'm not about to FOMO into another short, though. I need to bounce first.
What could go wrong?
I'm keeping my eye on 490.
Yeah, I think we're going to breach it too, Raj. But we'll see. I'm not going to sell it. Fifth VWAP touch. Yeah, we'll see if it gives way this time. They're trying to get me to go long again.
Yeah, if it gives us a little bounce, I'm going to short it again.
I think I should have took my shot. Dang it. Nice. Good job on that, dollars. I was thinking about shorting. I had my finger on the buy button. It didn't go click. So.
Come on, give me a little bounce.
Yeah. Yo, hey Raj, I am tired. We're getting ready to jump off of here. I might actually go to bed early tonight.
Wow, early.
Yeah. Pretty tired. I'm like, if I stay up, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to end up smashing the button and I'm going to be mad I didn't stop.
Yeah, that happens to me.
So. Hey, did you cut off?
What?
Oh. You're in the middle of talking and just you cut your voice off.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's weird. I wonder why that happened.
Yeah, take the band-to-band trades tomorrow. And we have a lot of news out in the morning. I don't know if you guys saw that, but we look at tomorrow morning. We had the Bank of England with their interest rate decision. Then we have advanced GDP at 8:30, core PCE price index, advanced GDP price index, weekly unemployment claims, personal spending, personal income, personal spending. We have a lot.
Initial jobless. Yeah, there is a lot of stuff. Holy smokes. And then we got Amazon earnings too after the
and
bell.
Apple.
Yeah. Are you going to do another earnings stream or what?
Probably not.
What?
I'm pretty tired right now. I feel like I've been on stream all day long.
You have been. Okay, there's a little bounce.
At lunch I had to go take those stands back from my monitors from Amazon to Amazon. I had to go take that back, got lunch, came home, ate, jumped back on the stream. I haven't got to watch no YouTube or anything today. Which isn't a bad thing.
I know, but then you feel like you're behind, like you didn't do your routine, you know?
No, I just feel like I want to go to bed. I'm going to go to bed. Which actually, I think I'm going to jump off the stream because if I stay on, I'm tired. I'm gonna probably lead to some bad trades.
Yeah.
If I'm happy where I'm at, I'm had an exceptional night tonight. So
Yeah, you have. Good job, man.
I'm gonna call it. Hopefully, you guys will come join me tomorrow, 8 a.m. We're gonna hopefully give away 2 Take Profit Trader accounts as long as you guys run that like counter up tomorrow. So let's see who's got the fastest and the slowest duck tomorrow. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing everybody tomorrow. Have a good night. You guys are still trading. Try to stay green. Don't let the market pick your pockets and get all of your monies. All right, guys, take care.